What's up, guys? Here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn this image into that fancy image on Canva into a simple and fast method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your Canva and go to Shapes. Let's use this one. Let me change the color to black to make it easier. And let me make it a little taller, just like this, okay? Now, go to Elements once again. Go back and search for Drip, just like this. Let's choose this one. And let me align it just like this. I think like this is okay. Now, let's change its colors to black as well. Just like this. Now, review the left sidebar of menus and go to Apps. Once on Apps, search for Shape Cutout. This one with just like this. Click on it. Click on Export again. Click on this black area and cut out and add to design. Just like this. Align it. It must be perfectly aligned, just like this. Now, go to your pictures or upload a photo, okay? Let me select this photo. Organize it like this on my design. Just like this. Now click on it and duplicate. Into the first one, we're gonna click with the right button of your mouse, go to layer and send backward, just like this. Align the first one, just like this, and click on remove background. Now, click on the bottom and drop just like this. And here is the final result. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!